Hello children, a very cool good morning my dear children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well at home. Am I right? So as days are passing, I am getting a small doubt my dear children. Are you ready to clarify? Everyone is ready, I think, eagerly. So, my doubt is, who am I? Do you remember me? So, none other than I am your social science teacher. Okay, myself is Shailaja. So, as to look empty rooms without you are not at all good, my dear children. I am eagerly waiting when you will be at the board, because I hope you also missing me. You are not missing me, my dear children. It's not in our hands. So more few days we will stay at home, and very soon we are going to meet each other. Okay, so then then coming to the point about, so how you are spending your time at home? As watching TV and watching movies in the Netflix and this all. Am I right? So along with the entertainment, try to do some productive work. What is that? Productive work. So that is just yoga. Do yoga for some time and try to draw some diagrams or anything. Okay, and try to improve your writing skills, is it? As well as help your mama when she was busy in preparing or in preparation of different delicious dishes. And always remind children, don't waste your food. Okay, and don't create any trouble while staying at home to your parents. Don't create any problems or any troubles to your parents while staying at home. Okay, so then every teacher always is saying, that is your math teacher, English teacher, science teacher, and including social teacher. These all teachers are saying about the corona precautions. So that is maintenance of physical distance and wearing of a mask or a scarf and washing your hands by use alkalized sanitizer or any soap. The soap and the sanitizer are not available. Just running water use and wash your hands frequently. Teacher, we are not going out. Why should we clean our hands? Don't think likewise, children. Just even though you are staying at home, you can wash your hands frequently and don't rub your eyes. So when you are sneezing, just you use your elbow, okay, to cover. Then coming to another point, what did you find within 2 days? That means from last to 2 days onwards, did you find any change in and around? Did you find? So, what is that? What are the situations? How situations are rapidly changing? So, the border issues. The border issues between India and China. China trying to occupy the border territories of India, that is East Ladakh as well as the Galvano Valley, and it is trying to dominate the Galvano River, which is as a part of our country. And last 5 decades onwards, China is trying to say some of the territories of Arunachal Pradesh as a part of our country, it is trying to say that those are belonging to China. Those are belonging to China. So then it is trying to occupy that area, that regions or territories. such type of critical decision towards India? What is the aim of China? So before going to discuss about that all issues, first related to corona or COVID virus, we can discuss. So as everyone aware of that, how corona spreaded, where it started. So corona spreaded from Wuhan city of China, and very rapidly it spreaded among the different countries of the world. Overall, to 15 countries of the world affected very badly due to this coronavirus. So America, Brazil and Italy, Spain, France, even our country India also affected very badly due to rapid spread of coronavirus. So more than 120 countries demanding UNO to inquire China about the spreading of virus. So our country, obviously, our India also one of the 120 countries which are demanding inquiry about these all issues on China. And moreover, European countries established their units or industries in China, and due to this pandemic situation or severe situations, that European countries are deciding to shift their units to Bharat. That is one of the reasons. So inquiry is one of the reasons, and the shifting of European countries units to India, this is another reason. And US is supporting to our country. So as you know, US is one of the powerful country in the world, and which is supporting to our country India. Why US is supporting India? During this pandemic situation, our India helped to more than 60 countries by supplying sodium hypochlorite. Even though our country is suffering due to this COVID-19, but our great India helped 60 countries of the world. So these all turned favorable conditions to India, and even the people of China became against to the president of China. So China decided to create a terrific situation to divert the country's views. So how China is going to create terrific situations? By creating tensions at the borders of India and China. The last 5 decades onwards, the border stands off between Bharat and China. So China is thinking, when China is trying to create tensions in the borders, then all the countries' views are going to divert. Because of this reason, Chinese soldiers tried to attack India, but both the countries did not use war weapons. When Indian soldiers as well as Chinese soldiers were at one place, Chinese soldiers used iron rods to attack Indian soldiers. Then in this incident, 20 Indian soldiers lost their livelihood. So among that, Santosh Babu as a colonel, he belonging to Suryapeta of our Telangana state. He lost his life. He sacrificed his life in the protection of our country. It's a great salute to Santosh Babu. Not only to Santosh Babu and those 20 people who lost their life in the protection of our country, a great salute. Okay, so then based on these, I would like to give a small activity to you, my dear children. Are you ready? And I hope everybody is ready to do that activity. Based on these issues, as what we are discussed up to now, that is as 1967 and whatever that border issues in between Bharat and China, or whatever that facts which made China to attack India. Is that clear, my dear children? So first thing is collect complete information about the border standoff between Bharat and China. Now don't think Bharat, Bharat. It is Bharat or India. That is our great country. Is it clear? So what happened in 1967? What happened in 1987? And what happened in 2007? And at present, how China tried to attack India. You just collect that information and write on A4 size paper and submit it to me on Saturday evening between 4 to 6 p.m. Is it clear? So when you are doing any activity, you need to remember, you need to remind that being the responsible citizens of India, we need to know what is going. So what were the situations? So try to watch the TV channels, especially news channels. What is going on? How people are trying to protect our country. Is that clear, children? So beware of current affairs. Try to collect that and remember it always. Don't think social is a boring subject. Man is a social animal. So one of the important subject, that is social science. After completing your studies, so when you are trying to prepare civil services and other competitive exams, social science is playing a vital role. So children, be interested in the subject, learn more and more, and try to be aware of current affairs. Is that clear? So stay at home, safe and healthy. Have a good day, my dear children.